How to remove all collections from credit reports fast. Outline of the text. 1. Introduction. Explanation of how to remove collections from credit reports. Introduction of new regulations and rights for consumers against debt collectors. 2. Debunking myths about debt collections, common misconceptions about interacting with debt collectors. Clarification on what actually resets the debt clock. 3. Understanding Regulation F and Consumer Rights. Explanation of Regulation F and the FTPA, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. How consumers can dictate when and how debt collectors can contact them. 4. Effective communication with debt collectors. Importance of sending written communication to debt collectors. Sample letter format to restrict communication and enforce rights under Regulation F. 5. Taking legal action against debt collectors. How to sue debt collectors in small claims court for violations. Explanation of when it is appropriate to take legal action. 6. The role of credit reporting agencies and AI technology. Overview of how credit reporting agencies work and how they profit. Introduction to eOscar and how credit disputes are processed. 7. Using AI for credit repair. Introduction to AI credit repair software, Dispute Beast. Features of Dispute Beast: custom dispute letters, integration with major credit bureaus, and secondary reporting agencies. 8. Advantages of Dispute Beast over traditional methods. Comparison with other credit repair tools. How Dispute Beast simplifies the credit repair process with AI-generated attack letters. 9. How to use Dispute Beast. Step-by-step guide on setting up and using Dispute Beast for credit disputes. Options for printing or mailing dispute letters directly from the app.